So hi, this is Arpad from xunbox.com and welcome back. It's our pleasure. The last couple of weeks we received many inquiries, many feedbacks regarding the videos. We are still working on it, to improve, to make it better. Today we try to focus on a very metal object, which is a pump. Here you see it. Okay, hope you see it. It's a kind of big metal installation. It's a pump with a clutch including. Here you shall imagine the motor. Okay, it comes the motor inside. This clutch pump installation, it's actually a transfer gear pump. It comes from KRACHT and it has an EX marking, which means it can be installed above surface in zone 1 in a gas hazardous environment, and it's out of the box. So this is how we receive it. We receive a declaration of conformity as a package solution. The whole installation has been manufactured back in 2006, so it's quite old, but we found it on the shelf, okay? And it was certified according to ATEX Directive 94/9, which means EX, and it is still EX. Interestingly, it immediately relates to the manual, okay? It defines a certain number which you have to identify on the manual. Unfortunately, this number we haven't found on the manual, but anyway, it is. Very interesting. The whole pump is certified as a non-electrical equipment, okay? Which means the manufacturer shall declare the compliance, and using the retention of documentation methodology, okay, a notified body shall store all the files, which is in that case Exxon BBG in Bochum, Germany. But on the other side, the clutch, here you see this below part, okay? This below part is certified. It's from KTR, okay? And this is certified with an ATEX certificate, okay? That's also very interesting. And now we come to the special description, to the X sign. Okay, there's an X sign, which means special conditions of safe use, which interestingly we found on the leaflet of the product. Few points from that. There are permitted medias, okay, so it can be used only with permitted medias, other medias on request. There are operating instructions, okay, very basics, but one ultimate you will find for almost all pumps in potential hazardous environment: never have explosive mixtures inside the device, okay, that's one point. And dry running is not possible, okay, which means that here the connections, okay, either you have to install in a special protected way, that there's always the fluid inside, or you need to apply certain measures, okay, that the fluid is inside. More interestingly, it comes to one topic. The temperature on the split case, okay, on the split case must be, which means 100%, okay, must be monitored with a temperature sensor. This temperature sensor is not part of the package, okay, but look at that board, okay. You will find here, that's a plastic one, you see the yellow, okay, and here inside the hole, okay, you need to place your temperature sensor, which shall be part of the EX compliance and part of the EX solution. So the message here, wherever you may apply, you may use a non-electrical EX installation in your EX site, please be aware of the documentation. What is the documentation saying, okay? And follow the instructions. Otherwise, even if you have an EX installation, you cannot operate it in an EX way. So out of the box, it means be careful with non-electrical installations, and the ignition source assessment, which shall be part of your procedure, strongly recommends, and let me say, it defines you the way of proceeding, that you need to be aware what is written in the documentation, and you must realize it, okay? Safe journey to you in the field of EX environment, and see you next time back at xunbox.com. Please check our YouTube channel, shall be very interesting. More and more videos are there. Okay, so see you then. Cheers.